Welcome to Norway, the land of majestic fjords, magical northern lights, and jaw-dropping natural beauty. Here, every corner feels like a scene from a fairy tale, with dramatic landscapes that will leave you breathless and inspired. Norway is a place where nature and culture blend seamlessly, offering unforgettable experiences for every traveler. In just 8 minutes, we'll take you on a journey through the best things to do, the most delicious foods to try, and the most stunning sights to see. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a foodie, or a culture lover, there's something here for everyone. From the dramatic, snow-capped peaks and crystal-clear lakes to the vibrant, lively cities like Oslo and Bergen, Norway truly is a feast for the senses. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders that await you in this incredible country. Glide along a mirror-smooth fjord surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls. Sognefjord and Geirangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offer breathtaking views and a glimpse into Norway's wild past. Preikestolen, also known as Pulpit Rock, is a legendary hike that winds its way through dense Norwegian forests and alongside sparkling mountain lakes. The trail is both challenging and rewarding, offering glimpses of breathtaking scenery at every turn. As you ascend, the air grows cooler and the landscape opens up, revealing the raw beauty of Norway's wilderness. Eventually, the path leads you to a dramatic cliff that juts out high above the Lysefjord, a sight that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. At the summit, the panorama stretches endlessly in every direction. Standing here with the wind in your hair and the fjord far below, it truly feels as if you're on the edge of the world, surrounded by clouds and sky. In winter, the aurora borealis paints the Arctic sky in green, pink, and violet. Tromsø, within the Arctic Circle, is the perfect place to witness this magical display. The Flam Railway is a journey through Norway's most spectacular scenery, lush valleys, waterfalls, and snow-capped peaks. Every turn reveals a new masterpiece painted by nature. Oslo blends Viking heritage with modern flair. Explore the Viking Ship Museum and the striking Oslo Opera House. Amidst this, a thriving art scene flourishes, with galleries showcasing both established and emerging artists. The Atlantic Ocean Road twists and turns above crashing waves, connecting islands with breathtaking views. For those who dare, it's an unforgettable drive along the wild Norwegian Sea. In Oslo, My Amo's 3 Michelin stars redefine Nordic cuisine with local, seasonal ingredients. Each dish is an experience, a symphony of flavors rooted in Norwegian tradition. Head to Vippa Food Court on Oslo's waterfront for a global culinary adventure. Savor international flavors, grab a seat by the water, and soak up the lively atmosphere. At Bryggeloftet and Stuain in Bergen, savor traditional Norwegian dishes in a cozy, historic setting. Warm up with reindeer stew or enjoy freshly caught fish, prepared with exquisite simplicity. Bergen's bustling fish market is a seafood lover's dream, with fishermen unloading the day's catch. Whether you want a quick snack or a gourmet feast, this is the place to be. In Tromsø, Emma's Drømmekokken transforms local Arctic ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Chef Emma's creativity showcases the unique flavors of the region. Rakettenbar and Polsi is a beloved Tromsø hot dog stand, where locals and visitors gather for a legendary late-night snack. Oslo, nestled between fjord and forest, blends urban sophistication with natural beauty. Explore museums, stroll Vigeland Park, or ride the funicular to Holmenkollen for breathtaking city views. Bergen's colorful wooden houses and rainy charm create a magical atmosphere. Wander Bryggen Wharf or ride the Fløibanen funicular for panoramic views over the city. The Lofoten Islands rise from the sea with jagged peaks and picturesque fishing villages. In summer, the midnight sun bathes the islands in golden light. A photographer's dream. Tromsø thrives in Arctic extremes. See the northern lights, go dog sledding, or learn about indigenous cultures. For the adventurous, try ice fishing in this unique northern city. Ålesund's fairy-tale Art Nouveau architecture rose from the ashes after a 1904 fire. Stroll its charming streets and soak up the relaxed coastal vibe. Svalbard, halfway to the North Pole, is a true Arctic wilderness of glaciers and polar bears. Take a guided tour to witness these majestic creatures and the stark beauty of the landscape. Geirangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is often called Norway's most beautiful fjord. Ferry through dramatic cliffs, waterfalls, and lush slopes, nature's grandeur at its finest. Norway's natural beauty inspires soaring peaks, deep fjords, and endless forests. Lace up your boots, hit the trails, and reconnect with nature. Norway's seasons are dramatic. Endless summer sun above the Arctic Circle and magical northern lights in winter. Summer is for hiking and kayaking. Winter brings celestial displays. Let Norway's contrasts captivate your soul. In Norway, travel is an adventure. Trains and ferries reveal ever-changing landscapes. Settle in, watch mountains and fjords unfold, or glide across the water for unforgettable views. Norway is easy to travel. English is widely spoken, public transport is efficient, and safety is top-notch. Relax and let the warmth of the Norwegian people enhance your journey. Norwegians are known for their warmth, hospitality, and love of the outdoors. Don't be surprised if you're invited to join a hike or share a meal. These moments create lasting memories. If Norway's not on your travel list yet, it absolutely should be. This is a land where breathtaking fjords, world-class food, and a touch of Nordic magic are waiting to be discovered. Norway is a destination that will capture your heart and imagination. From witnessing the dazzling northern lights painting the sky, to gliding through serene fjords on a peaceful cruise, every moment here feels like a scene from a fairy tale. Savor traditional Norwegian cuisine, from fresh seafood to comforting stews, and experience the warmth of local hospitality in every bite and every smile. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and get ready to discover the magic of Norway for yourself. Skål from Norway, where unforgettable memories are made.